So this week you wanted us to tell you some things that we will use in the Google, or some things that we'll use in our classroom. So I just wanted to show you kind of what I have done so far in my current class. I have made some Unit 1 quizzes that in Google Forms that I can just export all the information into a spreadsheet, and then I can enter it into the gradebook a little bit easier. This week we had, I was looking at one of the blogs, and a tip that she had was using tools and then this voice typing option. So you just go to tools in your Google Doc, and then you go voice typing right here, and then you just click to speak. And I think maybe it won't work because I'm currently using my microphone. Oh, just kidding. There it goes. But that's a really cool option because then I can just type, say what I'm thinking and not have to type it. So that's a good time saver for me. So I will use that. And then another thing that I found was just kind of a fun project for my kids to do. It's a pixel art, so Google Sheets. And then you have a certain amount of boxes that are that have a border. And then you put something in there like 2 plus 2. We'll just make it easy for now, but 2 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 0 plus 1. So then you have a key, 3, 4, and 1. And then whatever color the number is, that's what color you shade that box, and then it makes a picture. So that might be something fun for my kids to do, maybe with a definition vocab matching. So there we go.